So today's project, we're going to do a little bit of the E46 is fixing the vacuum leak. I'm going to show you some clips right now on using the smoke tester. This thing really came in handy from AutoLine Pro. Pretty sweet. I love it so much. I picked it up right through Amazon. Honestly, I did not know like any specific brands clearly, you know, which one to go for. I just typed, you know, smoke tester, whatever, on Amazon for automotive. This is what came up, and I heard this one had really pretty good reviews, so I'm pretty hyped on this. It wasn't, you know, you really couldn't argue with it, honestly. So this one comes with an electronic compressor. The other one comes with a regulator, which you're gonna need a compressor to attach to it. But this one already comes with it, all electronic, ready to go. So pretty much it comes with like jumper cables with a little connection that you plug this in, and it leads to one to connect to the ground and one for the power. So anyways, so far so good. So it's coming from right here.
Yeah, we knew that. We knew it was gonna come from right here. That's the intake pipe that we ordered because we were gonna try to figure it out.
Oh yeah, okay. But it's not leaking from this, it's leaking from the hose, from there. I don't see it coming from the pipe. It's mostly coming from the fitting.
It may look like that, but I'm telling you, I don't think so.
I don't know, dude. I think it's just coming from that hose. But surprisingly, these ones are not leaking. Oh, are they?
No, it's just really coming out of there now. Oh, actually it is.
Yeah, it's leaking from here too.
Oh no, is it?
Yeah. See? Yeah, see? There it is.
It's kind of crazy, no?
Yeah. So we got 1 leak, 2 leaks. Go for 3s. Just 2. Those Home Depot fittings and that one. It's coming up from that little hose where you plugged it in. And then it's coming out from here. It's coming up from here. Alright, so I have these wheels. I got them like a little bit in the early spring, a while back. I bought these mainly for the E46. I already had them on before. I want to use these wheels maybe for drifting. They're 17 by 8.5 in the front and 17 by 10.5 in the rear. So pretty wide. These ones, I mean, they're in good shape, but what I meant, what needs work, is that the lips is, you know, the front lips made from far distance. I mean, it doesn't look like, you know, it doesn't look like they're horrible. But when you get close, really close, you know, you see this guy right here. Let me just focus that a little bit. Oh, right there. So this guy right here is chipped, little indents here. So couple scratches, scuffs, more indents right here. Like some of these lips took a beating. This one's not too horrible. It's got a little bit, but that's minor. The ones I'm looking at like seriously severe is like just seeing this. So I would like to show like a before and after on this one. I'm just trying to focus on this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry if it wasn't focused, but all those things. So it's like 50-50. Some have scuffs, indents, and the other ones just have scuffs. Good to go? Okay.
70.
That's the first cylinder, right?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna do it again because we did it 170. All I can smell is gas though.
I know. It's just really hard to tell where it's coming from.
If it even is coming from anywhere, you know?
Or could it just be?
Or is it maybe the cylinder's just pumping out the fucking...
I think it is because they're just open.
Yeah.
Because I didn't see any gas leaking from here anymore. That's dry.
Unless it's under the car, bro.
But it's really hard to see. I don't see anything dripping.
No, I don't see anything, dude.
Yeah. These are actually really comfortable for M3s. We got
150, which doesn't really make sense.
wow. Went from 180 the first test and went down to 150.
Maybe the head is cracked, dude.
Maybe. We just can't see it. We will only see it maybe if we take the shit apart. And I think that's just a waste.
Well, the thing is, the leak down test was only 100 psi. This is up to 150. Let's see what the next one is. Because the next one was also 180.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. That was... All right. All right, let's go.
I don't think it's the gauge, dude.
No, can't be the gauge. It's Mad Dogs. Mad Dogs can't fail us. Results everywhere.
And would maybe hold up for a little bit and you start working it and maybe getting it hot and it expands. I don't know.
Yeah, so...
I mean, regardless though, like...
First one was 170 again.
Yeah, that was almost on point, which is very weird.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm probably gonna do that last, for the last one, just for the fuck of it, and do that number one more time.
130 and then 120. The 150, 180 scares me. What do we got?
Which isn't good. I don't know why I was moving so hard. Maybe there was shit in the cylinders. Let's try one more time.
One, two. All right, one more time it is.
Even lower.
Damn. So we haven't been getting good numbers from the compression test. The timing is out of place. Got to let the owner know what's going on. I want to go ahead and show you guys the results of these wheels. I have this dude fixing them up for me. Oh damn. Came out so clean.
Ones that you know, that were deep, but
Yeah.
not my best.
That's okay. I mean, like I wasn't like realistically gonna be there were gonna come out pristine, like out of the fucking manufacturer. What's up? But I just wanted to get them down to better than it was before, you know.
Hey, I tell even when I go to the dealership and everything, like I fix the OEM wheels on the alarm days and everything.
Yeah.
Never 100%. It's just repair, man.
That's sick, dude. Thank you so much.
The road course that day, they were having some fucking stuck driving or some shit like that.
So they're supposed to be on a different track.
Yeah, so that track that you see me on with the red barriers, those are all plastic and they're water filled. So like if you smack one of those, you'll be fine. But
yeah,
he was like, no, we're gonna go on the oval. Yeah, great idea, man. My car can go on it.
Yeah.
It's kind of how you have to be.
But if I drive with pussy, that's when something's bad's gonna happen. Dude.
Yeah.
If I'm hanging with my buddies and I let off,
it's gonna be bad.
I
It's
can
worse.
see his face. It was like me when I was going for my driver's test, you know? Like so
Dude,
fucking
that's
nervous,
how
you know?
nervous-
And like to me, like when you're nervous, you do things you would.
chit chatting with him, he was saying the kid Chris Knapp, he's an FD driver, so that's who they rent the track out. That's who I rent the track from. So it's like kind of intimidating because like you got somebody that's been driving fucking
For a long
12
time.
years,
Yeah.
but he doesn't care. He's just like, dude, you got to do this, and he'll teach you. And I'm trying to tell him like you can't be intimidated by him or Rodnick or me. Like you just gotta drive, dude. He wasn't having it. Not good.
Crazy.
All right, so I wanted to just show you guys on the results on the wheels, well, on the lips, you know, getting resurfaced, getting those curb ratchets wiped off, and they came out pretty good. I mean, honestly, they're as best as they're gonna get. All right, so just giving you guys a close-up on all of them. Pretty much can barely notice. I mean, you can still see a little bit because those scratches were a little more deeper than the others, but you know, Lenny did an awesome job. Fucking love it. This is like way better than just replacing the whole lips, rather, you know, dropping $1,000 on replacements from WCI. So, and there's no cracks on these whatsoever, and these were never cracked or JB weld or anything like that. So, and there's no dents, no inner barrels are not bent anywhere on all of them. Pretty straight. It's awesome. So that's all it. So no more scratches, as you can see. Gonna give you guys one last glimpse. And oh no, that's not mine. So these are all mine. Sweet. Take these apart, order the hardware soon, and then rebuild them, put them back together. And all I need to get is just tires. So that will come along the way. So I just want to show you guys. All right, what's up, you guys? It's the next morning. Ever since I got the new lift, you know, installed into the shop, I haven't been using it only because there wasn't no wires running to it, into the panels, and we kind of ran into like a sticky situation with the breaker panels, or breaker box that I have set up in the units. Apparently it just wasn't enough power to support the lift for it to work, since it does run off 120 with I think 40 amps or 120 volts, or I might saying it backwards, but anyways, we got all that situated with the landlord and with the electrician. Made the appointment, and now I'm here today at my shop with the electricians right now. I already met up with them. They took a look around the units, and they're just getting ready to work and get all this set up. So I'm pretty excited. Now, since the lift will be done today, we'll start, you know, working on the E46. We'll start working on the E46 again, and the E36 currently, which I will discuss more on that. I'm watching it. And come back down? Or go up a bit more?
Go.
We still got room, dude. I can see it right here. A lot, dude. We're not even close to the light.
Alright, one more thing.
I can see it.
That's it, now come down.
We did it. Damn, it's the first time looking underneath, bro, on the Z3. Wow. This is the first time underneath the Z3. It's raining.
That's just water.
Yeah.
Come on.
Surprisingly, that's crazy. I'm surprised that's not leaking. That needs to get replaced soon, yeah.
We've never seen it.
No.
Damn.
Oh, man.
These are all your lines, dude.
All from being static and from the years of driving.
That must be the fuel pressure regulator right there.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, look at that scrape. Trans. What's this?
Leaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's leaking.
Transmission fluid,
Look
but
at this,
somewhere.
the flex plate's holding up.
Yeah, the flex stick's is doing well. Holy smoke, this is sick. These are bags. Look at my ride clearance, guys. That clearance, oh my god.
The lighting's still pretty good, dude.
Yeah, dude,
Like, I
it's
can still see
sick.
it.
Look at all the scratches here, I'm surprised. Not bad, I mean, it's no rust I mean, it's pretty clean, no rust whatsoever.
This is still running strong.
Yeah, dude, look, I'm just forgetting about this. We use a fucking nut as a washer. That was a pain to re-thread and re-drill.
Yeah,
Oh, the other
this
one.
is just a shock, bro, and it's not like a...
Yeah, it's still holding up though. I mean, it made its trip to Ocean City, back and forth, and to Wolfscar twice. The trailer arm bushings are still good. Dude, you know how sick this would be how easy it is to adjust it now? Everything? It's so crazy. Uh-oh. Oil leak.
I might be getting time soon. Then we have to take this thing apart. Like
Yeah.
out here a little bit. We'll take the whole
man.
subframe off, dude.
Yeah, dude.
No, actually, I hate to say it, but no matter what, you have to do the oil thing.
Is it leaking from the
Subframe,
gasket, you
power
think?
Steering pump.
Is it leaking from the gasket, you think?
Probably. Oh. Yeah, probably. I feel
On the
like it's
oil
from
pan
the oil
gasket.
pan, bro.
Yeah, I think it's the oil pan gasket. We might have to replace that.
That point, I'm gonna go fucking. It's really.
I mean, I do smell like burning oil every once in a while. Not crazy like on the X1 before, but
Maybe did we do the valve cover or does it need to be? Oh, we did the valve cover, didn't we?
no. We never did valve
Yeah,
cover.
coil packs
We
and
did.
spark plugs, right?
Yeah, we only did coil packs and spark plugs.
Maybe it just needs a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the fucking ball handles too, dude.
Oh yeah, how are they looking?
One's cracked, the boot.
Really?
Yeah. But
Oh yeah, I see it. There's a crack.
I'm telling you, they make noise and it's gotta be that.
It's gotta be it, yeah. I remember we changed only one side, but the other side we weren't able because we had to take apart this. It was in the way.
Well, that and the fact that we just fucking. Oh look, the bolt's up top, that's why.
Yep.
That's why we couldn't get to it.
Yeah. The socket couldn't get underneath. I mean, maybe now we'll be able to get around it with the lift. So, we're chilling. Fucking hype. Right, dude? Dude, the same height is perfect.
It is a very small car, but like, we have a lot more room.
No, I know. Like the E46 will still get underneath.
Tell me that the roof is blue because of the lights.
Yeah.
Well, LEDs are kind of blinding.
Or it could be my wrap too. Now it's just gonna be, look at all my wheels too. Do you like my wheels? These aren't mine though, the weds are not mine. Alright, I just wanna let you guys know, thank you for tuning in, you know, sticking around. I know it hasn't been really much, I know there hasn't been like much content, or I'm not providing the best content, but I'm just starting out like clearly I'm still getting settled in because I still need to get more shelves so I can clear all that junk out. Do some more cleaning and some organizing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a good night. Peace.